Okay guys, meron tayong mixer dito. Pangalan nito Debra na mixer. Okay, maganda tong klase ng mixer guys kasi may XLR output guys at apat na channel pang line in ng microphone guys at pwede din sa line in. At meron tong gain, high, mid at low. May aux at pan, may label din siya guys. Okay guys, maganda tong klaseng mixer guys, high quality. Meron din tong phantom power guys, 48 volts. Dalawang channel na may pwedeng mag phantom power kanyan guys. At meron tong master volume. Yan, at meron tong sariling guys, yung source input power. Input power guys yan, 9 volts ang input power niya guys. Okay, yan po. At meron tong mga effects guys, katulad ng reverb, echo, at pwede itong saksakan ng USB. Yan po guys ang Debra na mixer. Thank you so much.
DJ Bell Production. Subscribe.